In this lecture, we are going to apply a computer configuration policy. That means, regardless who is logging in to this computer, the policy will be applied on it. As you know, we have only one PC in our lab, and this PC, let's go back to Active Directory users and computers. This PC in sales computers OU. So that means I have to apply the group policy on this OU. Even if anyone from the IT or the administrator will log into this PC, the policy will be applied on it. Go to Tools, Group Policy Management. Let's create a new group policy. What I'm going to do is to remove shutdown and restart button. So no one can shut down or restart this PC. Usually this policy, we apply it on the servers. Remove, shut down, and restart. Hit OK. Let's configure this policy. Right click, edit. Go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Start Menu and Taskbar. You can see here, remove and prevent access to shutdown and restart. Double click on it. Hit Enable. Click OK. Exit. Now it's configured, but it's still not applied yet on that computer. Let's go to Sales, OU, and Sales Computers. Right click on it, link an existing GPO. Select that group policy, hit OK, exit, and let's update. As you can see now, I have access to shutdown and restart. Go to Run, CMD, GP update, /force. Now it's done. If you go right click here, shutdown and sign out, you can see only I have sign out. There is no shutdown and restart. If I sign out, let's log in as another user. For example, Tom. This guy in the IT, he's not in sales. As you can see, also he's not able to shut down or restart this PC. Now let's reverse that. Go to Tools, Group Policy Management. What I can do, just right click here. I can delete it or just unlink it. Now I just unlinked that policy on the organization unit. Let's exit. Go to CMD, but you have to run it as administrator because this is Tom. So run as administrator. GB update /force. Now you can see I have the shutdown and restart button back. I hope this is clear for you and you understand the difference between computer configuration and user configuration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next module.